EasyPianoOnline.
Hello everyone, today we will learn how to play the song Polovetzian Dance No. 17 from the opera Prince Igor, music by Alexander Borodin. In this first video tutorial, we will learn the first part of this song, and part 2 is on the website. Please have a look. Okay, so we'll begin the first part with the right hand. Right hand begins with first finger on G. Again G. Fifth finger plays D. Fourth is on C. D. B flat. Second is on A. G. A. B flat. And fourth is on C. Fifth is on D, second is on A, G, third finger crosses over the first to F, first is on D, again D, fourth is on G, fifth finger is on A, fourth is on G, F, E, again F, second finger is on E, third is on F, and fifth is on A. Okay, now we'll have a look at the left hand. Left hand plays G and B flat, fingers 4 and 2. Fifth finger is on F, E, B flat, C, fingers 5, 2 and 1. Now we have F and A, fingers 5 and 3. C, and back to F and A. G and B flat, E, B flat, C, F and A, fingers 5 and 3. Second is on B flat, first is on C, and third is on A. Okay, so as soon as you've mastered each hand separately, we can now combine hands together. Left hand plays G and B flat, fingers 4 and 2. Right hand plays first finger on G. Left hand F and chord. Third is on B flat. And now together. A, first is on G, third finger crosses over the first to F, and together. Fifth is on A, G, F, E, and together. Right hand E, together. Okay, so this is it for the first part of Polovetzian Dance No. 17. The second part is on the website. Please have a look, and I will see you in the next tutorial.